Good morning, students. Today we'll be continuing with the chapter Perimeter and Area. We'll be doing sums from NCERT book. Last class we have done perimeter and area of rectangle and square. Today we'll be learning the perimeter and area of triangle and parallelogram. In last class we have done sums on area and perimeter of rectangle and square. Today we will be concentrating on area of parallelogram and area of triangle. As we know that parallelogram is a kind of quadrilateral. It is enclosed by four sides. The formula for area of parallelogram is base into height. How this formula is derived? That you can find out by clicking on the link given below. Okay. So we know that area of a rectangle is length into breadth. From that formula, how we are deriving the area of parallelogram, that you can find out. Now we know that a triangle can be obtained by joining the diagonal of a parallelogram. So half of the area of a parallelogram is the area of a triangle. So area of triangle is half into base into height. We will be doing sums from NCERT book exercise 11.2. Let us start with sum number 2. We will be doing two parts. We have to find out the area of the following triangles. In the first figure, the base is given by 5 centimeter and the height is 3.2 centimeter. There is a confusion. Whenever we listen to the word height, we always think that it is a perpendicular on a horizontal line, but it is not always true. When we drop a perpendicular on a line from the opposite vertex, that is serving as the height of the figure. Here we have taken base as 5 centimeter. The perpendicular dropped from the opposite vertex on that 5 centimeter base is 3.2 centimeter. So that is serving as height here. Area of triangle, the formula is half into base into height. So we are substituting the value as half into 5 into 3.2 and we are finding the answer area is equal to 8 centimeter square. Why it is centimeter square? Because we are multiplying 5 centimeter and 3.2 centimeter. Centimeter into centimeter is centimeter square. Now we are coming to the second figure. Here the perpendicular is dropped and the perpendicular base of the perpendicular is coming outside the triangle. But that doesn't matter. 2 centimeter is the height of the triangle and base is 3 centimeter. Using the same formula, area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. We are putting the values half into 2 into 3 and the final answer of area is 3 centimeter square. Sum number 4. A table is given and we have to find out the missing values. In the first row, base of the triangle is given, area of triangle is given and we have to find out the height. First, let us write down the given data with proper symbol. Base B is equal to 15 centimeter and we have to find out h. Formula is area is equal to half into base into height, that is equal to 87 centimeter square. So, putting the values half into 15 into h is equal to 87. H is equal to, we are doing cross multiplication. So, 87 into 2 by 15. If you calculate, we are getting height of the triangle is 11.6 centimeter. Moving to part B, here height is provided but base has to be found. Same formula is being used, half into base into height, and the given area is 1256 millimeter square. So we are substituting the value of height, half into base into 31.4 is equal to 1256. Base will be 1256 into 2 divided by 31.4, and if we calculate, we will be getting base of the triangle is 80 millimeter. Part C, once again base is given and height has to be found. Area is equal to half into base into height, that is 170.5 centimeter square. So half into 22 into h is equal to 170.5 centimeter square. Height is equal to 170.5 into 2 by 22, that is equal to 15.5 centimeter. Now these calculations you have to practice. Question number 7. A triangle is given ABC. It is right angled at A. That means angle BAC is right angle. AD is perpendicular to BC. If AB is equal to 5 centimeter, BC is equal to 13 centimeter and AC is equal to 12 centimeter, find the area of the triangle ABC and find the length AD. Area is equal to half into base into height, that is half into 5 into 12, that is equal to 30 centimeter square. Area of triangle is equal to half into AD into BC. So now we are using a separate set of base and height. So 30 is equal to half into AD into 13. So AD is equal to 30 into 2 by 13. AD is equal to 4.6 centimeter. So in the first part of the sum, we have taken base as AB, that is 5 centimeter, and height as AC, that is 12 centimeter. In the second set of the sum, we have taken base as BC, that is 13 centimeter, and height as AD. Sum number 8. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB and AC, these two sides are equal, that is equal to 7.5 centimeter each. BC, the base is 9 centimeter. The height AD from A to BC is 6 centimeter. Find the area of triangle ABC. What will be the height from C to AB, that is CE. Here also, like the previous sum, we will be using two sets of bases and two sets of heights. So area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height. First we are considering BC as base. So corresponding height must be the perpendicular drawn from the opposite vertex on BC. The vertex opposite to BC is A. So the perpendicular drawn from A to BC is AD. So half into 9 into 6, that is 27 centimeter square. So area of triangle ABC will remain unchanged whatever set of base and height we are considering. So in the second part of the sum, using the same formula, area is equal to half into base into height, we are now taking AB as base. So the height will be the perpendicular drawn from the opposite vertex C on AB, that is CE. So area remains unchanged because we are finding the area of the same enclosed figure ABC. So it is calculated from the previous part, that is 27 centimeter square is equal to half into height 7.5 into CE. If we calculate, CE will be equal to 27 into 2 divided by 7.5, that is 7.2 centimeter. Now we will be doing few sums on parallelogram. We have to find out the area of the given two parallelograms separately. In the first figure, the base is given 7 centimeter and the height is given 4 centimeter. And area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. So simply we are multiplying 7 into 4, that is equal to 28 centimeter square. In the second figure, height is given 4.4 centimeter and base is given 2 centimeter. So area of parallelogram is equal to base into height, that is 2 into 4.4, that is 8.8 centimeter square. So once again same logic is applied, that when we are taking 2 centimeter as base, so perpendicular drawn from opposite vertex, that will be its height, that is 4.4 centimeter. Sum number 3, we have to find out some missing values. Here in part A, base of a parallelogram is given and area is given. We have to find out the height. We are using the formula area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. Substituting the values, we get 20 into h is equal to 246. So height will be obtained by dividing 246 by 20, that is 12.3 centimeter. In the second part, height is provided and area is provided. We have to find out the base. Using the same formula, area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. We are now substituting the value of height here to find out base. B is into 15 is equal to 154.5 centimeter square. So base will be 154.5 divided by 15, that is 10.3 centimeter. Next sum is similar to the previous sum. Here two values are provided for height 8.4 centimeter and area is 48.72 centimeter square. Both are given in decimal. So when we are dividing 48.72 by 8.4 to find out the value of base, we have to do decimal division. So you have already done that. You can convert, you can multiply both numerator and denominator with 100 and then you can reduce it. The final answer of base is coming 5.8 centimeter. Part D, base is provided 15.6 centimeter and you have to find out the height, and area is given 16.38 centimeter square. So 15.6 into height is equal to 16.38. Height will be found by dividing 16.38, that means area, by base. So the final answer will be 1.05 centimeter. Sum number 5. One parallelogram is given PQRS. QM is the height from Q, vertex Q, to the base SR, and QN is another height from the same vertex Q on the base PS. SR, that is the first base, is equal to 12 centimeter and QM is equal to 7.6 centimeter. We have to find out the area of the parallelogram PQRS, and also we have to find out the second height QN if the second base PS is given as 8 centimeter. So first we will be using the formula of area of parallelogram, that is base into height. We are taking the first set of base and height SR and QM, multiplying them. So 7.6 into 12, that is 91.2 centimeter square. Now area of parallelogram PQRS will remain unchanged whatever base and height we are taking, because we are finding the area, the space inside the same enclosed figure. So now we are taking the same formula, base into height, but separate set of base and height are taken now. We are taking PS and QN and multiplying them, and from the previous part of the sum we have got that area is 91.2 centimeters square. So QN into 8 is equal to 91.2 because the value of PS is given 8 in the question. So QN will be 91.2 divided by 8, that is equal to 11.4 centimeter. Sum number 6. DL and BM are the heights on the sides AB and AD respectively of a parallelogram ABCD. If the area of the parallelogram is 1470 centimeters square, AB is equal to 35 centimeter and AD is equal to 49 centimeter, find the length of BM and DL. Here the area of parallelogram is equal to base into height, that is AB into DL. So 1470 is equal to 35 into DL. DL is equal to 1470 divided by 35, that is equal to 42 centimeter. Now area of the same figure ABCD will remain unchanged. So we are now using the second set of base and height AD and BM. BM is the perpendicular drawn on AD from the opposite vertex B. So 1470 is equal to 49 into BM. BM is equal to 1470 by 49, that is equal to 30 centimeter. Now we will be doing a small activity on the area of parallelogram. Let us draw two parallel lines and take a fixed length AB on the lower line. Take AB as 4 centimeter. Now three parallelograms should be drawn, ABCD, ABEF and ABPQ. But for all three of them, the base will be same as AB, that is 4 centimeter. Now we will be trying to find out the area of the three parallelogram. Note that the gap between the two parallel lines must be 6 centimeter. What will you observe? Now I am giving you one hint that area of parallelogram, the formula is given by base into height. Here base remains same for all the three parallelograms. And what about the height? The height is given by the distance between the vertex, opposite vertex and the base. Here all the three parallelograms are lying between two parallel lines, which the gap between the parallel lines is same, that is 6 centimeter. Now observe what you are getting. Try to find out the values of the area of the three parallelogram. Put your thinking caps on. We'll discuss the answer in the next Microsoft Teams class.